Hi, this is Ricky from Buildaroo, and I'm here today at the Moscone Center at the PCBC, and I'm here with Mike today from Restoration Timber. Hi Mike, can you tell me a little about yourself and how you got started with the company?
Sure. Restoration Timber was founded about 2 years ago. Myself and one of my business partners, he was building a house at the time and wanted to use reclaimed wood, and found it a very disjointed market out there, and so he and I have done a couple of other ventures together, and so we started thinking about it, and over the next 6 months or a year we developed a business plan and put some thought into it, did a little bit of research into reclaimed woods, talked to a number of people in the industry, and basically launched the company from there. And our goal is to provide reclaimed woods from North America to the building community, and meet their spec, meet their deadlines, and meet their aesthetic challenges.
Mm-hmm. So is this what you have showcasing here? Are these reclaimed woods right here?
Yep. So everything that you see in our booth is reclaimed.
Okay.
This is just a sampling that's here. We have about 15 species that we see on a regular basis. We're primarily taking down barns and small industrial structures in the Midwest, and we have 2 milling facilities where the wood goes back to, is sorted, denailed, stored, cut, custom cut, and then manufactured and delivered out to our customers.
So where are most of these reclaimed woods found in North America, or where do you get most of them?
So most of them from a large swath from Wisconsin down to through eastern Ohio and western Pennsylvania. Occasionally we'll dip into Kentucky, Illinois, and a few other parts. And then we have a few things that are from the Pacific Northwest, redwood, Douglas fir, those types of things.
All right, cool. So does the product have any kind of certifications?
So we are FSC certified. So it is FSC reclaimed. We also provide have the ability to provide FSC new wood as well.
All right. So are these products geared towards like everyday consumers or more for professionals? How would you use how's the wood used? Like what is the most commonly way that people use it, or most common way that people use it?
Sure. We provide beams in their rough sawn or hand hewn form, as if they came straight out of the barn or the building that they were in. We also will custom cut stock for cabinetry, doors, furniture, and those types of products. We also provide some barn siding, so gray or red barn siding right off the side of the barn in its natural form. But primarily, about 60% of our business ends up being flooring made from reclaimed wood, whether that's hardwoods, softwoods, but custom width, custom manufacture to our client's spec.
Okay. Is there a reason why most of it's used for flooring, or?
Well, I think pretty straightforward in that regard. Everybody needs a floor. Not everybody's design calls for beams, or they may be have not thought about cabinetry, that type of thing. Those components tend to be smaller components within the overall structure.
All right. And what is the price range of the product?
Most of our flooring falls in the price range of $8 to $12 a square foot. Unfinished, uninstalled. We have the ability. We have a couple of products that are obviously more expensive than that, and a couple of things that are a little less expensive than that. But we try and work, with our clients closely on what's their budget, what's their desire, what's their aesthetic need, and do everything we can to satisfy them.
Cool. Where can I find these products if I'm interested? You guys have like an online store? Do you guys have retail channels? in the U.S.?
Sure. So as everything that we do is custom, you can go onto our website at restorationtimber.com and take a look at a lot of projects that we've worked on, photos from those, and also you can download documents that have our specs on there, and then call us. Work with one of our salespeople. We have 2 showrooms, one in San Francisco and one in New York. We ship all over the country, but we work. Send out samples. We'll talk to you. Whether it's the individual who's building the home, or in charge of building the restaurant or what have you, the general contractor, the architect, the designer that's involved in the project, and make sure that we understand the spec and make sure that you've got a sample of the material as it will show up on your doorstep.
All right. Is there anything new coming up or any exciting news coming for Restoration Timber?
I don't know if there's any exciting news. We do just continue to focus on our customers, what their needs are. As our product set, there's nothing new in reclaimed wood, as it's all material. But we do, we work closely with our customers and make sure that they get what they need and that they're happy with what they get.
All right. Well, thank you for your time, Mike.
Sure. Thanks, Ricky.
Yep. This is Ricky at Buildaroo TV. Thanks for joining us. And again, this is Buildaroo, making green easy.